testing different solid materials, what happens to them when hammered. And first, for safety, we got this face shield, and we will use the hammer to test the items. And we also got a hollow block, an empty tin can, a block of wood, and a piece of galvanized iron. First, we will test the iron. It changed its shape. Then next, we got the hollow block. It changed its size and shape. Then we got the empty tin can. Changed in size and shape, as you can see. Then for last, we got the piece of wood. It also changed in size and shape. So guys, today we learned when solid materials are hammered, it can change its size or shape and may change its texture.